Hi guys, welcome back to my image. Today I have a fun video. I recently acquired a new Gucci Jackie handbag. Wait a minute, hear me out. If this is your first time, hi, my name is Roche. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. The reason I'm laughing is if you have not seen my previous video on my Gucci Jackie, I have two other Gucci Jackie bags, and in a previous video, what fits in my Gucci Jackie handbag, I'll link it somewhere up here. Basically, I already own two, so why would I go and buy another one? Now, the Gucci Jackies that I have previously is this Gucci Jackie in the canvas version. Now, I love the shape of the Gucci Jackie bags, and especially on a day like today where I'm wearing all black, this is such a nice go-to for me. The thing is, I really liked the all leather look of my tan Gucci Jackie, which is this one. I took the stuffing out, so it's a little flat. So the plan was, because I loved the leather look so much, I wanted to replace my canvas Gucci Jackie with an all leather black vintage Gucci Jackie bag. That's a mouthful. So I went in search looking for this. So I went on a hunt on the vintage market and I was able to find an all leather Gucci Jackie bag. And so I was so excited to find it. I'm like, yes, perfect, get it done, move on. Now I can look to sell in my canvas bag because, why would I need three? My mistake was, doesn't one usually look at the measurements? No, maybe? So I get the post, excited. I'm like, finally, I have the two leather Gucci Jackie bags. That's it. I'm happy. I'm good. I have Gucci monogram print in other bags. For the Jackie though, I'm fine. I really like the canvas, but I'm fine if I just have the two leather ones. So the package arrives and I'm unboxing it and I'm taking out the paper and I'm pulling it out. So I'm pulling it out of the package and it's in the bag that it's, protecting it. And I'm like, this looks a little different. What is odd about this? Well, here is what's odd about it. So this is what arrived. This is my latest Gucci Jackie bag. This is all leather black. It does have that black chrome hardware, so it blends in nicely. It will mix great with my gold pieces. I don't mind because it's not like a stark like silver color. So if you can see better, I grabbed it also because it was in such good condition for a vintage bag. And I'm like, okay, found it. Great. Just for comparison, let me show you what the other one is like. So this is the new bag. And this is the size of the Jackie bag I was trying to replace. So now you can see there's a huge difference in the size of it that I was so excited. I just grabbed it and I'm like, done, got it, good. But now that I have it, I'm like, oh my God. Because I was also looking for some nice casual totes for the summer, some nice larger tote bags to just throw over my shoulder. And now this is perfect because I was even looking on, just regular boutique brands, Zara, H&M, whatever, just to see what they had. Just a quick throw on tote bag, black or tan or camel. And then with this arriving, it's done. I'll show you with what I'm wearing because I'm definitely using this bag today. So I'll show you that later, just my OOTD, and I'll show you what the bag looks like on because I won't be able to show you in this frame because it's a much larger bag. Let me just show you how it looks beside the other leather Jackie. So this is the tan. And you can see just in the size of it here. Hopefully you can see that. So this is the size comparison with the two leather Gucci jacket bags. I don't know. I just didn't pay attention to the measurements at all. I'm like, why would I? I already have two. I know what the measurements is like. So why would I even think about looking at the measurements? Anyhow, good mistake. I'm so glad that I have that. The dilemma now is, do I still sell the smaller one? Because that's a different look altogether now. So let me know in the comment section below, what should I do? Should I go ahead and sell the canvas bag, or do you think that they're too similar to keep both of them? But I'm very torn. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do help me out. Are they too same? Are they too different? Should I go ahead and sell the Gucci canvas now that I have the leather version? Let me know. The total OOTD, I'm wearing these mules from Hugo Boss. I've had these for ages. Uniqlo shorts, I cut this myself. These are just a straight leg high-waisted jeans and Uniqlo knit top. Vintage belt by Robert Lee. My Sun Is by Celine. So that's my total look for today, and I love it. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I really need your help desperately about what to do with these Gucci jacket bags. Sell or not sell? Keep them all. Right now, the hurricanes and everything, I'm just waiting for the weather to settle down a little bit, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do another week of style, my lookbook style series, and that should be my upcoming video, I think. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.